In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix insert icons missing in PowerPoint. If the icons button has disappeared from your insert tab, don't worry, this is a common issue with a few straightforward causes and solutions. We'll walk through them in a clear order so you can get those icons back quickly. First, check which version of PowerPoint you're using. The icons feature is primarily available in the subscription version, which is Microsoft 365. If you're on an older one-time purchase like Office 2016 or Office 2019 without the Microsoft 365 subscription, the icons feature may not be available at all. To verify, open PowerPoint, go to File in the top left, then select Account. In the Product Information section, look at the product name. If it says Microsoft 365, you're set to proceed. If it says Office 2016 or Office 2019 and doesn't mention Microsoft 365, that likely explains why the icons option is missing. In that case, upgrading to Microsoft 365 is the way to access built-in icons. If you do have Microsoft 365 and the icons option is still missing, make sure PowerPoint is up to date. Features can temporarily disappear when the app is outdated. From File, go to Account, look for Update options, click it, and choose Update Now. PowerPoint will check for and install any updates automatically. When it's done, close and reopen PowerPoint, then check the Insert tab to see if the Icons button has returned. If it's still not there, check your internet connection. The Icons library relies on Microsoft's online services, so if you're offline or your connection is unstable, Icons won't load. Quickly test by opening a web browser and visiting any site. If the page doesn't load, reconnect to the internet, then reopen PowerPoint and check the Insert tab again. Next, review your privacy settings for connected experiences. If these are turned off, online features like icons won't work. Go to File, then Options at the bottom. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Privacy Settings. Make sure Connected Experiences and Optional Connected Experiences are both enabled. Click OK, restart PowerPoint, and look for the Icons button on the Insert tab. To recap, confirm you're using Microsoft 365, update PowerPoint, verify your internet connection, and enable Connected Experiences in Privacy Settings. One of these almost always brings back the Insert Icons feature. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.